During our time together, we will come across a number of terms which will need further clarification. Of all those pertinent to my profession, I'd wager there is perhaps none so routinely misunderstood as the very name of the discipline: philosophy. Struth. You've made a real dog's breakfast out of that. That's more like it. Philosophy. Derived from the Greek word philos, meaning love, of a friendly, non-romantic sort that is, and sophia, meaning wisdom, resulting in the love of wisdom. There are two main senses in which the term may be used: the general and the particular. Philosophy, in the general sense, is the study and systematic application of reason to those most fundamental questions about reality, knowledge, and human existence. There are a number of different branches in philosophy, such as ethics, metaphysics, and so forth. When someone refers to philosophy in the particular sense, for example, my philosophy or the philosophy of X, they generally mean a particular theory on something. If I speak to you about my philosophy for, let's say, gardening, I am telling you about the approach I have come up with that will guide how I take care of my garden. If I refer hypothetically to the philosophy of gardening, I am referring to the study of gardening, which may entail a number of different schools of thought and, by extension, a number of different theories. However, philosophy as we know it today has quite a different scope from what it had in ancient or even medieval times. Prior to the Enlightenment, philosophy included a number of what are today considered scientific subjects, under the category of natural philosophy. Yet this gradual narrowing was not caused by the Enlightenment alone. Rather, it accelerated a change that is thought to have begun much earlier, particularly during the Renaissance. This period saw the rise of, for example, early humanist thinkers, some of whom grew to become critical of Aristotelian natural philosophy. Philosophers today generally specialize in a select number of areas of thought, as it is not possible at this point in history to be as well acquainted with each and every branch, theory, or subject as the ancient polymaths were. For example, my doctoral thesis focuses on Aristotelian political theory, as opposed to politics as a whole, or the entire Aristotelian corpus. What area of thought a philosopher chooses to specialize in will depend partly on their own interests and, if we are being realistic, the job market. Not all areas of philosophy are equally in demand in this regard. Subjects which are more practical leaning arguably open more doors, such as ethics, political philosophy, and so forth. Some can also be a helpful backbone to further study, such as the philosophy of law, which may be followed up with a Juris Doctor law degree, or political philosophy, which is a good preparation for a career in politics.